In this video we will present the novel pop-out root extraction technique using the Samarani elevators. Conceived for single-tooth roots or for multi-rooted teeth that can be sectioned into separate roots. The kit is coupled with a selection of unique Meisinger burs that can be mounted on a high-speed handpiece, a red band contraangle or a surgical contraangle. The kit has 6 different elevators. 2 buccal elevators mainly used for buccal hammering, 2 lingual elevators for lingual hammering, and the last 2 are called complement elevators. In most cases, teeth destined for extraction present with root substance above crestal bone. Always start with mesiodistal sectioning of the root. First, let the burr be guided by the root canal. Start with the short sectioning burr. Continue with the long sectioning burr. Aim at having the section slightly towards the lingual. With a buccal elevator in one hand and a lingual elevator in the other, press the root fragments against each other as a test for the complete root separation. If one segment is sensibly mobile, that's a sign that the separation was complete. In this case, the lingual fragment that is smaller will come out easily with the simultaneous action of the 2 elevators. The buccal fragment that is bigger and more solid will have to be hammered with either buccal 1 or buccal 2 elevators. The choice between the 2 depends on mesiodistal dimension of the root. Firmly position the elevator against the root. And if needed, a slight gingival retraction can be made with the tip of the elevator. Apply gentle hammering by holding the dedicated and lightweight mallet with your fingers, not with the palm of your hand. Then hammering will pop out the root fragment outside the socket without any damage to the socket environment or any discomfort to the patient. In case the sectioning was intentionally or non-intentionally oriented more towards the buccal, then the buccal fragment will be the easiest to remove. And the lingual fragment would have to be hammered with a lingual elevator. Lingual 1 and lingual 2 differ in the angulation of the shaft and the inclination of the tip, to facilitate elevation depending on your position on the arch. In case the sectioning, intentionally or non-intentionally, happens to be exactly in the middle, then hammering would be needed on the buccal and on the lingual, to pop out the fragments outside the socket. Teeth with root substance below crestal bone. Start with mesiodistal sectioning. Then use one of the 2 small round burrs provided in the kit. Create a superficial groove around the root fragments. To mobilize the lingual fragment, use any of the 2 instruments described to hammer the buccal fragment. They just fit perfectly here. To mobilize the buccal fragment, you need to use one of the last 2 elevators that were not described so far. They are called complement 1 and complement 2. They only differ in the size of the tip. They are specially designed to mobilize the buccal fragment by inserting them vertically in the buccal groove. Push the instrument lingually to mobilize the root fragments inside the socket. When buccal bone is judged to be too thin and where creating the buccal groove can risk creating a buccal bone fenestration, the alternative way is to create a smaller groove around the mesiobuccal angle or the distobuccal angle where the alveolar wall is thicker, and insert the complement 2 instrument that is smaller than complement 1 instrument by making small twisting movements inside the groove, and then by pushing the instrument lingually, the buccal root fragment is luxated and mobilized.